Okay, so we are starting next chapter, that is cyber tools. In this chapter, we will talk about the tools or the applications or the softwares which you are using online these days. Nowadays, the application of internet is already extended to each and every aspect of people's life. Now these days we all are totally dependent upon internet, because for doing every activity we have to look for the internet. For example, suppose I have to cook something and I don't know how to cook, so I'll look for the internet. I'll search that recipe on YouTube, and then I'll follow the steps and I'll prepare it. Or maybe if I have to understand that how can I do the cleaning of my system, or how can I or I have to do the cleaning of my system, and for that I have to install an antivirus system. Then again I have to open the internet, download a antivirus software, and then only I can use it. So it means for our every activity in our daily life, we are, if I'm going to suppose if I'm going to some place in South Delhi, and I don't know the location, the exact location or the route, then again I have to on the internet, on my navigation system, and then I can follow the navigation. So it means for every task which we are doing in our life, we are totally dependent upon internet these days. And internet has become a gradually it is becoming a necessary part of our life, because if we are not having the internet connection, we our life is like we don't have anything to do. If the if the internet is not working, then the whole day will be like there is nothing to do. I cannot study, I cannot watch TV, I cannot go somewhere, I cannot cook any new recipe. There is no source of entertainment in my life. So it is becoming a very important part of our life. Internet has become a great convenience to our academics, especially during this pandemic year, because if there will be no internet connection, you will not be able to take the classes. If there will be no Zoom app or some other apps which using which you can do video conferencing, then we will not be able to proceed this year for academics. So it means for academics also, it is very important. We are making our projects online, we are giving the test online, we are attending the classes online, we are even we are attempting our exams online. So it has increased our creativity and also making our lives more interesting and varied. There are, now I just wanted to ask one question from all of you. You just have to raise your hands for this. Is there anyone in your class who has done something innovative in this pandemic year? Like suppose you have created a painting, or maybe you have cooked something in your for your family, maybe a cake, or maybe some pasta or any other dish, and for that you have taken the help of the internet. So you can raise your hands if there is someone. So if you have done anything new during this pandemic year, uh, if even if you have made a greeting card for your father, mother, or anyone at the home, and for doing that activity you have taken the help of the internet. Okay, so as I can see, there are a lot of hands, those students who have done so many things. So Pratika, can you explain us mm, what you have done, which activity you have done? Pratika, can you explain everyone?
I tried to make a painting and I took the help of internet. And
Okay.
then I tried to play a song on keyboard. For that also I took the help of internet.
Okay. So it means for our daily activity, we have done so many things in this pandemic year, for which we have taken the help of internet. So it is also increasing our creativity. Like Pratika has just shared that she has taken the help of the computer to learn the keyboard, uh, or for the music maybe. So it due to which the creativity level of Pratika is increased. So this is how we are using internet to make our life more interesting, and it is also at the same time it is also increasing our creativity also. Okay, so some of the basic and important services of internet are: we are taking online classes using the internet, we are doing chatting, because if we don't have the WhatsApp software, we will not be able to attend the classes, because the teachers are sharing the links on WhatsApp groups, and then all the reminders, all the uh, planners, all the quizzes, everything is uploaded on Atlantic. And you are you can also do the messages to the teachers on Atlantic. So we are doing chatting over there also. Video conferencing, we are attending the classes using video conferencing only. Social networking, we are using WhatsApp, we are using Facebook, that's a part of social networking. Cloud storage, okay, how many of you have used cloud storage for saving anything online? Is there anyone who has used, you can raise your hands, who has used cloud storage? Okay, so only one student has used. Okay, now let us understand, because maybe the others are not aware of this thing. So two students have raised the hands for this. So let us understand what is cloud storage. Cloud storage is it is like a hard disk which is online. It is not there in your system. It is like a hard disk which is online. It means you can save your data over there, and it will remain safe there. Nobody can delete it, nobody can corrupt it, nobody, no virus can harm your file. And you can even access your file anytime and anywhere. If even if your system is not working, you can access your file from your phone or from some other device. From anywhere you can access your file. So, what is cloud storage exactly? Cloud storage is a service where data is maintained, managed, and backup in a cloud. Cloud is nothing but a collection of storage service servers which are operated by storage farms located in various data centers. Now, what we can understand with the help of this is, like, cloud storage is a service. It's a service which is provided by various organizations. They are providing you a service using which you can maintain your data, you can assemble your data, you can manage them, and you can store them online. So it just works like a hard disk you have in your computer. Like, so if I have downloaded 10 songs and then I'm going to save it in my computer hard disk, I can also save them online, so that I can access those songs anywhere and anytime. Or maybe I have created one PPT to teach class 7 students. I can save that PPT online, so that even if I'll be in the school, or maybe if I'll go somewhere else and I don't carry my system with at that time, then also I can have that PPT, because the PPT is not saved in my system. PPT is saved online, so I can access it anywhere and anytime. Except that the data is more secure here, the data is more secure and can be accessed anywhere and anytime. Okay, now what are the companies which are providing you this cloud storage facility? Cloud storage, I think it is clear to everyone. We are saving the way you save the data in your system, in the same way you are saving something online. So there are four different companies which provides you this facility so that you can save your data online. And these companies are Google, Amazon, Apple, and Microsoft. गूगल गूगल जो प्रोवाइड करता है आपको, दैट इज नोन एज गूगल ड्राइव. Amazon प्रोवाइड करता है आपको AWS अकाउंट. Apple is providing you iCloud, and Microsoft is providing you OneDrive. All these are the names of the services or the accounts which you can create on these particular websites. For example, I can create a Google Drive account on Google, or maybe I can create a Google account on Google, and using the same Google account I can use Google Drive. Now all these companies are providing free of cost space so that you can store your data online. And this free of cost space differs for every company. For example, Google is providing you 15 GB of storage free of cost. Similarly, AWS account or Amazon is providing you 20 GB of free space. Apple is providing you 5 GB of free space, and Microsoft is also providing you 5 GB of free space. Now, let us understand what is Google Drive. But before that, let us understand what is the usage of cloud storage. Why we are using this cloud storage? Why we are not saving all our files in our system? Why we are making the things complicated? Why we are saving something online? So the advantage is you need not to worry about losing your documents. Suppose if my system will get corrupted, everything which I have stored in my system will get lost, and I will not be able to find even a single file. So it means if I'm saving something online, then I need not to worry about this thing, because all my documents are already saved online. So it means I need not to worry about losing my documents. Next is backup is available for all the devices. Even if you are uploading something from your system or you are uploading something from your phone, the backup is always available. You can download, you can reuse, you can edit any of your document, and you can carry them in a pen drive, and you can take them anywhere. Next is next is easy access to your files anytime and anywhere. As I already told you that you need not to worry. Suppose there is some important PPT which I have to present today in class 7th, and maybe I have to visit to the school today, and I forgot to carry my laptop with me, or maybe the pen drive which I'm carrying with me. It is I forgot to copy the PPT in that pen drive. But if I have saved my PPT online, then I can access it anywhere. I can access it in school also. I just need to remember the ID and password of my account. That's it. And I can access it anywhere and anytime. So it is easier to access your file anywhere and anytime. Synchronization with your local computer. Synchronization means as soon as you can use this facility, like as soon as I'll save or I'll make a new document in my system, it will automatically get uploaded online, or it will automatically get backup online. उसका already वो अपने आप सिंक्रोनाइजेशन आपके फोन में वो पूछता है, डू यू वांट टू सिंक्रोनाइज योर गूगल अकाउंट विद योर फोन. इट मींस वो आपसे पूछ रहा है कि आर यू वट एवर द थिंग्स यू आर सेविंग इन योर फोन, डू यू वांट टू स्टोर देम permanently on Google Drive. Do you want to on the synchronization? If you will make the synchronization on, then everything which you will save in your system or in your phone, automatically it will also get saved online. So you need not to worry about losing your content, losing your documents, and you can easily access them anywhere and anytime. Even you don't require to copy it and paste it online, because synchronization से वो automatically वहाँ पे सेव हो जाएगा. So this is the advantage of cloud storage. Now, what type of files can be created and shared on Google Drive? Now, let us understand first what is Google Drive. Okay, so this is, suppose I have already opened my Google account. So when you open your Google account, you will be able to see these four icons like it is coming on my screen. Now, if I'll click on these nine dots, it will show me all the possible apps or all the possible services which Google is providing nowadays. So out of these, in the first in the second row, this is the search box which everybody know, and next is maps. Google Maps are there. YouTube is also a part of Google. Google Play Store is there, from where you can download the applications. Google News is there. Gmail service also it is providing. Meet means video conferencing software is also there. You can have a video conferencing using Google Meet. contacts. It will also save everything in your contacts. If you have synchronized your mobile phone with Google account, then automatically all your contacts get saved in the Google Drive also, in contacts also. Next is Google Drive. Now let us understand what is this Google Drive. So this is my Google Drive where I have saved different documents like question papers and everything, which is important to me. Or maybe if somebody else has also shared with me something, then that also is coming in this Google Drive. Like uh, I have saved this UT paper here, and it is also showing that in my storage total it is 15 GB, but I have already used 6.2 GB of Google Drive. So it means rest is the remaining space, so I can save few more things in my Google Drive, few more files, few more pictures, or maybe the videos, anything I wish to save in my Google Drive. So if even if I wanted to delete, suppose I wanted to delete this video and I don't want it more, so I can right click on that and I can click on remove. So it will get removed from my system then. Similarly, if I wanted to delete some more videos, then I can delete it like this. So this is the way in which you can save anything in your Google Drive. Now Google Drive also provide you many different facilities. And what are these facilities? You are allowed to create Google Doc, you are allowed to create Google Sheet, Google Slide, Google Form. If I'll click on more, then I can create Google Drawings. I can have Google Maps, Google Sites, any file, Notepad, and then I can mail my cloud drive to mail. I can send them to mail it to anyone. So these are the facilities which are provided by Google Drive. I can upload any file, I can download, I can upload a folder even also. So what is Google Sheet, Google Slides, Google Doc? Let us understand that. Google Doc is a Word file. It works same as MS Word. So I am going to open it in Google Drive so that you can check is it same or different. So till the time it is opening, I'll open Google Slides, and next I'll open Google Forms. So Google Doc is This is Google Doc, which looks like MS Word only. So all the features are same. Only maybe the menus are different. The way the menu is appearing, that may differ, but rest everything is same. So whatever you can do in MS Word, you can do it in Google Doc also. So you can create a Word document in Google Doc. It means it will automatically get saved online and you need not to worry about saving that file. Similarly, here it also provide Excel and PowerPoint. This is PowerPoint, Google PowerPoint. So if you don't have the PowerPoint presentation software or the Word software in your system, you can have a Google account and you can use it online with Google. Next is Google Forms. If I have to create a test or an entrance test of class 7th, or maybe the question paper MCQ test for class 7th, then I can use this Google form. I can create a Google form for any class and I can share it with the class. So this is Google Form. So all these are the services which is provided by Google, that is Google Doc, Google Spreadsheet, Google Slide, Google Forms, and Google Drawings. We can also make drawings in Google using Google Drawings. So today it is already 12:12. So rest of the topic we will take in the next class now.